Alright. What's up, guys? I think we are recording. I'm pretty sure we're good. We're on negative 8 decibels right now. Last time I did this, I was talking a little bit too quiet. But I think we're good now. If I talk regular volume, whatever my normal volume would be, yes, I still can't hear myself. But it should work for us. Alright, what's up, guys? We are back again, and we are in our Tandem Moto gear. And I truly love it. This is my second ride with them. I've been trying them out, feeling them out. They are phenomenal. Like I said, if you watch my Instagram story, I've talked about me trying a few other companies. I've tried 2 different team companies so far. Not going to name who they were, but wasn't completely happy with them. But Tandem Moto, even before working with them, I could even show receipts if anybody really wanted to see. I told them that I do not want to say I want to work with you guys until after I receive the jeans. And they were like, okay, we believe in our product. We will send them to you. If you don't like them, understandable, but we trust our product. And we want to send them to you. And we know you're going to love them. And I do. So highly recommend, if you guys do decide to go pick you guys up any in Tandem Moto, they got jackets, pants, hats, and other stuff on their website that's not theirs. Make sure to use code STICKERZ.V. Spelled how my username is STICKERZ20, and you get 20% off your whole order. But yeah, love my Tandem Moto jeans. Please thank you again, Tandem Moto, for hooking me up with it. But yeah, we're recording again. Alright, this is street test. How loud I really need to talk, and I'm playing music right now, so it's kind of a two-sided test. Hopefully we're sounding better. Like I said, this is a trial and error process. You guys are working with me with this. I'm trying to figure out what the best thing is for you guys. Don't know what it is yet, but we're working together to figure this out. So hopefully this is a better setup for the microphone. Now it's right in front of my mouth with some KT tape over it, a little bit of a wind muff, but we'll see. No. Damn, the idle on this is ridiculous. Literally, it sounds cammed. Alright, our 360's behind us still. Wasn't sure. Hopefully we're not on this camera too much longer. I know the quality isn't what you guys are used to because we are shooting on the 360 still. Because our Ace Pro is still, we're still waiting on the new one to come in since the last one was damaged. But hopefully it comes in pretty soon, and then we will be back to shooting for you guys at 4K. I don't know if you guys have 4K devices. Like I can't watch 4K on my iPhone, but I can watch 4K on my Mac when I watch the videos, because that's what I edit on when Jake doesn't edit our videos. But yeah, so hopefully this doesn't look too bad, because it is shooting in 360, so I can crop it vertical or sideways. Trying to play with that, maybe something we like we'll do more often. But yeah, no, so alrighty, well, ooh, these gloves are getting not as tacky. I don't know, I thought I saw a cop somewhere. My cop radar, I feel like it just went off. I don't know where. Oh, there's one watching us. One behind us, maybe. I don't know. But alrighty, yeah. So hopefully our street footage sounds good. When I open the mask, like, just gotta make sure and remember to close it. Oh shit. Alright guys, yeah, so we got it's C-Tech. Let me make sure we're recording. The charger is called C-Tech, and we did get it installed, and we are actually, this is gonna be a cool vlog. We are going to see an old car dealer, and they have some like old school, like in the garage. There is a Lamborghini, I think it's Mira. I think that's Mira, something like that. Don't know exactly the name, but something pretty crazy. Alright, what's up guys? We are back to vlogging on the camera. We are off to some crazy dealer right now. I'm not exactly sure what dealer we're going to, but like I was saying, it is some old school car dealer. Something, I don't know exactly, like I said. But one of our buddy Keys, that license plate, Keys to the Jungle, that guy right there, thank you for getting us hooked up with C-Tech and the charger. But it's his roommate, she works here. She's a saleswoman, and she works here, and she needed to go pick something up, so they're like, let's go to the showroom. I'm like, I'm down. That'll be an interesting part to the vlog. Alright, we're recording. Oh.
1,850 pounds.
Okay. There's cars.
Yeah, looks like it. Some cool cars. This is the best one though, right here.
Yes, right.
Garage.
Oh yeah, this is dope. Damn. Is that like their logo, that little thing?
That was her logo. That's why I had the skunks on my car.
Oh, okay.
Her dad was like, Ferrari threatened to sue him because he had the Ferrari logo on his race trailer. And he sold cars and had a restoration shop and stuff. I might damage this car.
I can't wait to post this. I'm gonna make a reel out of that. I hope we're recording. Please tell me we're recording when we saw that. Yes, I am making you a reel. Yeah, this is insane.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of dog fur on the F50. Yeah. But
wow, I don't even know what to say. This is too nice for me. I think I gotta go back outside.
That's okay.
Okay, I was like, it's the only room I should probably be able to stand in is that one. Yeah.
It's super cool stuff. Yeah, I think go yeah, this is the most expensive car here. It's more than the F4. Yeah, 4.75 million.
That's what that's worth?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And then
F30, right?
F50.
50. Oh, so this is after. Okay.
So there's the the 288 GTO, then the F40, then the F50, then the Enzo, then the LaFerrari. The successor comes out at the end of the year.
Oh, there's supposed to be something new coming out. That's dope.
So the blue BMW in the back corner, that was her first car.
Oh, that is a dope first car.
She drove that across the podium at Pebble when she was 11. The youngest person to ever do it.
Okay, that's crazy.
Yeah, her dad got that car as part commission on a package deal.
Is this a real car or a kit car?
So this is a real car. So this car, it's called a 365 BB. They never made them for the U.S. market. One of her dad's clients tried bringing in the car, and because it's not allowed in the U.S., Customs wanted to crush it. And so they're like, nah, it's a race car. And they're like, okay. And so they like converted it to a race car, like screw out the title, all that stuff.
Okay.
And then her dad raced it in the 80s.
Oh, wow. That one?
There's a picture of it on that wall over there. This one, so back in the 60s,
is there a motor in it? Oh, there is. Okay.
Yeah. So this one was like a full rebuilt project thing. So it's called a tribute car.
Okay.
So back in the 60s, during like Ford versus Ferrari era.
Yeah.
Right. So the Ford versus Ferrari movie was about the Ford GTs winning at Le Mans, and then at Daytona the next year, Ferrari made a car called the P4, and they did a 1-2-3 finish and annihilated the competition. So the factory cars were called the P4s, and then they had privateer race cars called the 412P, which were a little bit slower than the factory cars. So this is a 412P tribute. And so one of the guys that drove the real ones, they only made 4 of them. So one of the guys that made that drove the real ones, his name is David Piper, pretty famous racer back in the 50s and 60s. He helped the guy with the whole build of this car. So he helped supply some parts, and he had fiberglass body panels that he made molds of to make an aluminum body, all sorts of stuff. And then they took a modern car engine, put it in there. It's got a Porsche gearbox, so that.
Oh, okay. So it's
because that engine's for a front engine Ferrari.
Oh. And so is it a V12?
Yeah, it's a Ferrari F50.
If you go in the back and look through the glass, you can see the transmissions.
Oh, I did. That's why I didn't think there was a motor in it.
Yeah.
Because I looked and I was like, oh, there's no motor. And he's like, yeah, there is. And I was like, oh.
Yeah. Like how far back the transmission.
Yeah, that's insane.
And this is street legal. It's got a license plate.
Well, anything you get old enough, you can make street legal pre-75.
Yeah. So this. Yeah, this thing is crazy. So
yeah.
It's super cool. Yeah, her YouTube video has like 100,000 views with this car.
Oh, really? Yeah, that's crazy.
Like, very first video on a new YouTube channel.
Oh, this was what you were telling me about starting a new channel. I had one of mine, my MV Agusta, that meat blew up to 2.2K.
Oh, good.
I only have 800 subscribers, so.
You have an Agusta?
I went to an MV meet when they opened up their new dealer here, and he met me there.
Oh, got you.
Yeah.
These are so sick, but...
No, that will probably be my next bike.
93K views in 2 months.
That's insane.
So, And this one's one of her favorites.
Oh,
So
it looks.
So this one was this one had 100,000 British pound conversion done to it.
Oh,
So it
jeez.
started out as like just a normal Delta Integrale and converted it to like a
Race car.
well, so they had different tiers of racing. So they had Group B and then Group A racing.
Okay.
And then after that, now they have WRC.
Oh, okay.
But this was like Group B had 0 regulations. So that's when you might have heard back. Old rally cars did 2.3 seconds, 0 to 60 on gravel.
No.
Yeah. So
What?
this is like the descendant of those cars.
That's insane.
So yeah, they had the Delta had 7 world titles and like 46 rally race championships. So like just like super dominant.
Yeah.
And so she's got like a built down version of this, like a street car.
Yeah.
Which she just blew the engine. But that's launch it for you. And then yeah, that's a 928. Jeremy Clarkson had the best review on that car.
Okay.
And the chicken was still warm. And then but
Another race car.
so this is a conversion for a Daytona competition. So
Okay.
So they were nicknamed the Daytona because they were dominant in the Daytona race. So it's a 365 GTB4, and then the competition is C, so GTB4C, which is like the second half of her username.
Oh, okay.
It's her favorite car.
Oh.
It's basically a Ferrari muscle car. This thing is like
Front engine V12?
yeah, it's got a deep front engine V12.
That's my favorite. Like, if I were to take one, it would be an 812 Superfast. I love that long front end V12 sound.
Yeah, this is like
This is probably the beginning of that.
gnarly. This
Oh,
is
have you been in like all of these cars?
yeah.
Yeah, that's
So
insane.
what I'll do is I'll film. She doesn't have that, so I'll film wide angle in front of her face while she's driving, like just to the side, for POV shots. So we POV shots away all
The trick is I bet most of these cars don't have the flip down visors, but that's a trick. I saw that on TikTok.
Yep.
Always wanted to try that on the V, but now I have the POV or my head mount.
Oh yeah.
Actually, guys, we gotta get it. This is sorry, C-Tech. Your vlog was taken over. This is gonna be our new thumbnail. Sorry, C-Tech. It was installing a trickle charger, but yeah.
She's got C-Tech chargers in here, I think, in the back here.
Yeah, this is.
Yeah, no, just what you do is you do the thumbnail and then you Photoshop the charger in front of it.
just in front of that car. Leave everything else just in front of
You
that.
do enough space and then you Photoshop the bike right here.
Oh, I don't know if I'm that good at Photoshop. I got somebody that edits my YouTube videos too. Now, Burger, you got to do that.
No, that's relatively. Yeah, this thing is crazy. This thing is 130 decibels.
Oh my God.
No.
Jeez. Like, I've only heard my car, which is it's about 115, 120 at full.
Over 100, yeah.
Yeah. That's probably close to probably 130 when you fully rev it.
I was
The
gonna say, we
bike.
had the windows up and it still sounded good behind us.
Yeah, that's that I never even got it past 10K maybe.
So,
I'll rev it before we leave here. What's that back corner one?
so which one?
The back corner.
The
Whatever.
red one?
Yeah.
So that was her dad's main race car.
Oh, so her dad was he a Ferrari racer?
So he didn't race for Ferrari or anything. So he had a big restoration shop and sales. So
This thing
what
is-
he would do is he would race and all of his clients raced with him. So that's how he got a lot of them.
This thing is mint. The carbon on the engine bay.
Oh, dude, if you were to pop the hood, like
Huh?
all of this is carbon body. Yeah.
It's just painted carbon.
Yeah, the whole body. Well, the whole body is carbon, and then it's,
The full door, and it looks like the door is in one piece. Are you able to open it?
what the car?
Unlock it? Yeah.
Yeah, you can hop in the driver's side.
I don't know if I don't know.
If you
I just want to see
fit
it.
with your helmet. Yeah.
That's insane.
Yes.
The carbon work just.
It's super sick.
Yeah. But to be able to do this and like,
this weave. It's back in the 90s.
and back when it's not carbon, this is carbon Kevlar back then, I think. They didn't really use carbon fiber. It's a different.
It does have the Kevlar coloring.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
It's done a different way. Where back in the day, carbon fiber wasn't a thing. That's insane.
Yeah. So this was the only one that ever raced. So,
So this was actually raced.
yeah, this one was the only one of 349 that raced.
Show them all the
So-
stickers.
Yeah, so this had a bunch of stickers at one point. It had a full roll cage, like all sorts of
Oh, so this has been restored. Like I thought the interior looked a little
Yeah, it's-
modern for probably what it was.
So, I mean, they're all like original parts, but it was restored back to stupid fan.
I was like, is it a donkey?
Because of the wind.
Yeah.
But this is what it looked like when it raced.
Oh, that's insane. That's so sick.
Yeah.
Wait, the roof comes off?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
So,
over there. It's the top.
So it has two different roofs.
So the cart, well, three technically, has three different configurations. So it has a hard top, a soft top, and then an open top.
That's sick.
And every single car came with all three.
Really?
I like it without the roof.
It looks way better without the roof.
I know Colleen doesn't like convertibles. I'd love them.
Yeah, because her hair just whoosh.
I want to take the roof off.
Let's see, then we got 355.
Yeah, that's insane.
I'm having Mr. Car Sounds come by here later this